This is going to be a pickled red cabbage. We're going to use rice wine vinegar. Derrick will pull out the rice wine vinegar, a little bit of sugar, salt, and mustard seed. And we're just going to shave the red cabbage really, really fine on the slicer. So you can check the thickness. It's a little bit thicker than I like, so we're going to bring down the blade a little bit.
Okay, you have 9 minutes.
Then really carefully, you know, these machines are very sharp, so you're going to keep your fingers up. And
I can hear how sharp that mandolin is.
And you're going to slice it nice and thin.
It's so hard to get those exact thin slices with a knife.
Correct, but this makes a great topping. You can top fish with it. You can have a nice side. Derrick, if you want to put the vinegar over here.
Yeah, here we go.
Vinegar,
Pop
sugar.
in there. So this is almost like a different way of pickling.
This is a great thing to do late in the season. You know, we have a lot of green tomatoes this time of year that aren't going to ripen.
Yeah.
So we'll do pickled green tomatoes. You can fry them, you know. Fried green tomatoes,
Chow chow.
slightly pickled. Yep.
Yeah.
Chow chow. Pickled red cabbage, which will hold up throughout the winter. And
Love it. So good on tacos too.
All right, so we're gonna bring this up to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, Derrick's gonna add the red cabbage to it.
Okay.
So as the pickling juice here is coming up to a simmer, I can add my cabbage right into there, remove it from the heat. And,
So you don't really want it to cook at all?
No, we don't need it to cook. The pickling juice, because of the vinegar, will preserve, and it'll last for at least 7 days outside of refrigeration and even longer in refrigeration. So.
It smells great.
Right.